So what's up, YouTube? So you've seen the prior video of me banging the drive shaft tube in the chassis hole. So that's what it looks like welded in. It's not fully welded in. And I'll show you the other side. All right, so my plans are, once this is finished, I will fill that in so it does not rot, take water and snow and anything else or shit inside of there from the tires and the rain. But if you look right here, you can see there's the tube inside. So what I plan on doing is chain cutting here, okay? And then I'll split this with a torch, take that crap off, and then any space between this tube and the outer tube, I'll make a shim. I'll split a piece of tubing, snap it around it, slide it in place, and weld it on both sides. It'll be perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. You can see how well supported this side of the suspension is. It's got a bracket up here, it's over here, everything else is pretty good, and this is a good bush fix. No sense in junking it when you can save it. But yeah, so that's a drive shaft. Out of what, we don't know. We went down to our drive shaft shop, said, hey, can we get a piece of 3-inch drive shaft tube? You can see all the crap that came out of it from me banging it in. That's welded in. I'll chain cut the other side. Like I said, I'll split a piece of tubing to take up the space between both tubes, and then I'll weld that in. I'll seal it and paint it so this thing can last another 10, 20 years, I would hope. Thanks for watching.